Alright, what's good, people? So, this is how you put on tire stickers. Bought these on eBay. They came with a set of 8, two for each wheel, and I'm putting on one for right now. So basically, they gave me this. It says Michelin. Alright. And basically, what I did, how I cleaned the tire. So this is rubbing alcohol or denatured alcohol. I basically just, sorry, let me focus it. Spray the tire. Once you spray the tire, you take the rag. I already cleaned it like 4 times, so it's not gonna be dirty, guys, but shouldn't be dirty. And if it is, then that's good for me. Do a nice little wipe. Alright, cool. That's clean. Let it dry real quick. Then basically we put little dabs of glue, which we'll be doing in a moment. Let me grab the thing. Alright, let me wipe this down real quick, the backing, so it has no oil, so it doesn't have a chemical reaction. Alright, so here we go, guys. This is gonna be a template of how it's gonna look like. You guys think? So basically, I just put a couple dabs of some glue, I guess, and then put it on there. I'm gonna heat it up with the heat gun afterwards, but I can't do this without my 2 hands, and no one else is here to record. So I'll be back. But basically, you just put a couple dabs on, or you put a nice little thing. You want to wear gloves because this is super glue. It's gonna make your fingers feel weird. And then you just want to install it, and that's it, right? I'll be back, guys, when it's on. So the first one was kind of a little messy. I got glue all over the tires, but I narrowed it down pretty much. So basically, it's a super glue gel, which I think they sell it at Walmart. I think I'm running pretty low because I wanted to make sure that this thing stuck on pretty good. So basically, I put a nice line right here. Well, pretend it's on the back side, and then I went all the way down the edge. So basically like a square on the edge, so I know all the surfaces are clear. And then I heated it up with the heat gun, so the glue will activate a little bit. You don't want to do it too hot. Alright, okay. You want to heat the outside up. Make sure you're wearing gloves because the glue does stick. And then you just want to basically press down, hold it for like at least 2 seconds on each part. Remember, these are tire stickers. They don't meant to be last forever. They will come off eventually. And if they do, you just reorder more, okay? And yes, these are Michelin tires. And I think they're on there pretty good. The edges feel pretty good. Just make sure that I worry about the edges because once the edge starts peeling off, then the whole thing will come off. This is my Nissan GTR. I just barely got these rims on here. Those are the stock OEM rims, the rears. I'm waiting for the brand new tires. They're gonna be coming in on the 11th. Just 2 for the rear. And these ones are still good, so we're gonna leave these in here. Yeah, guys, enjoy, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. I'm out.